Lesson 12, page 17, my new skate shoes. Okay, so there's lots of tied notes here. There's also slurs and staccato markings, tonic and dominant 7 chords, 5, 7, or 1, dominant 7, tonic. And the chords change back and forth between that. There's also accents here at the ending, very loud. And see if we can play this. Here we go, from the beginning. Page 17. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, and now we're going to go on to page 18 and 19, trumpet voluntary. This thumb is here, this thumb is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down a third, up a third. Now you might want to play this one hand at a time for a while. Like if you look at measure 2, for example, you might want to just go and then do that in the left hand measure 2. And then put them together really slowly like this. Think down a third, up a third. Okay. And that same thing happens again at measure 15, doesn't it? Exactly the same, but that's kind of like measure 7. All right, with the duet now. So we're going to go up to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on to page 20 now. Page 20 talks about pairs of eighth notes. 2 eighth notes are played in the same time as 1 quarter note. Okay, so 2 eighths equal 1 quarter. 4 eighth notes are played in the same time as 1 half note. So this is equal to a half note. This is equal to a quarter note. And we're going to go ahead now and try to do the, I think you can read that yourself, but I'd like to go on to the performance book now. Let's take out the blue performance book, and we're going to play page 12 to 13, which is Butterfly World. Okay, so with this song, Butterfly World, It's mezzo forte in the beginning. At the ending, you're going to play that an octave higher. It's got an 8 VA sign, and the damper pedal is going to come down. So start off with your right foot on the pedal in the very beginning. Even though you don't need it till the end here, you need to get that foot on the right pedal right away in the very beginning, and then you're going to have it ready to go. That way, when you see that, you can press down on that. Okay, so there's phrase endings here, different lengths of phrases. This phrase starts here, it ends here. That note has to be softer than this one. That's got to be softer than this one. Softer than this one, right? This is softer than that one. Little short phrases here, different lengths of these phrases. So the hand position here is going to be like this. We're going to be in an F major 5-finger pattern. Right, that's the left hand position. The right hand, though, is in a C position. So that's what the right hand's doing. So you got F position on the left hand, C position on the right hand. And then you've got eighth notes coming in there. So what I would suggest doing is counting the beats this way. Counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The reason for that is because you have eighth notes and quarter notes all mixed up. This is called subdividing the beat. So you're going to start thinking about the eighth notes in the very beginning and keep thinking about them all the way till you get down to the end here. So the whole time, instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and over and over. Try to say it out loud or whisper those counts or think them in your head, but you need to be putting the and after each of the beats. Here we go. From the beginning, Butterfly World, 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, now we're going to play this as a duet. So we're in this position here, middle C position, except you got to put your 2 on B flat. So now we're up here with that 2. Make sure that this is on B flat here. All right, from the beginning. 1, 2 and 3